this? Atlas grants a chain of luxury hotels with tremendous potential, standing at the crossroad of not just an opportunity, but a tremendous untapped greatness. With the bustling landscape of Delhi, Mumbai, Hyderabad, and Bangalore at the canvas, Atlas grants has the power to paint a masterpiece of operational excellence and market leadership. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Anshika, a budding data analyst, and today we embark on a transformative journey to rewrite the story of Atlas Grand, where data means strategy and innovation drives the result. Ladies and gentlemen, I am very fortunate enough to welcome you all to today's case study regarding the Atlas grants. Let's set the stage. Atlas Grant, despite its premium offering, faces growing pressure in the fiercely competitive market. The key metrics tell us the compelling story. The occupancy rate at 72%, the ADR of 7.5K and RevPAR at 5.4K, which are trailing behind the industry leader like Taj and Oberoi. The gaps are clear, but so are the opportunities. This presentation is not just only about the number, it's about the actionable strategies to position Atlas Grand as a market leader while delivering unparalleled guest experience. So if we talk about the challenges here, the Bangalore and Hyderabad underperformed in the occupancy with 65% and 60% respectively. The RevPAR at 4.6K and 4K respectively compared to Mumbai and Delhi. Before we dive into the solution, let's take a pause and assess where do we stand today. Atlas Grant is well-established name, yet is grappling with the challenges of a typical evolving hospitality market. So, spanning across four major Indian cities, Atlas Grants cater to not just only the business class, but also the leisure traveler. With a strong presence, the market has built trust, but staying relevant in today's market requires a sharper edge. So the competitor like Taj and Oberoi are outspacing us in occupancy, in the pricing, and the customer loyalty metrics. The cities like Mumbai, Bangalore, and Hyderabad underperform very significantly, dragging us down in the overall performance. So the question here is how can Atlas Grand meet those criteria and close this gap and rise as an industry leader? Today's discussion is not just is about the solution, but we need to also optimize our strategies of the pricing, maximize the occupancy, retain customer, and most importantly, dive into the sustainable growth. So here we have already covered around 83% of our target, and RevPAR is also 60% covered of our target. If we discuss about the revenue distribution, so Mumbai is outperforming here. And if we talk about the platforms, so OTA platforms are basically contributing maximum as compare when we are comparing our revenue. So the churn rate is around 10%, the customer retention is 32%, and the cancellation rate is 20%. Well, the occupancy stand at 73%. The competition is fierce, but benchmarking against the best give us the roadmap to the success. The Taj Hotel in Mumbai enjoy a higher ADR, that is 8199, while the Atlas Grants is just standing at 7.5K. Yet the value we offer is no less. Why this gap? And how do we bridge it? The Oberois in Delhi boast at 86% of occupancy. What are they doing differently to attract and retain the customer? The insight we'll uncover today will show how can Atlas Grants turn the performance into the benchmark for others. So if we talk about their their strategies, first, if we talk about the Taj Group, they have a robust loyalty program with high customer engagement. While the occupancy rate is 76%, which is outperforming the other competitors. And if we talk about the Oberoi, their pricing strategy is Marvelous. They employs a dynamic pricing model that is tailored to peak travel seasons. The Oberoi is renowned for the exceptional service quality, leading to high customer retention rate. So if we talk about the customer behavior data, so what we need to do, if we talk about the demographics, first we need to target the young audience that is aged 18 to 34 for marketing our campaigns. We need to increase the engagement with the customer via the social media platform. We need to enhance the loyalty program to boost our participation beyond 22%. We need to focus on improving our customer ratings to elevate our performance. We should employ a kind of feedback mechanism and we should take the feedback very seriously and we need to address the service gap. We need to launch the promotional offer based on customer segment preferences. If we already have the booking trends, so if we analyze the booking trends, we can optimize the staffing at the service delivery. We need to utilize the customer demographics for personalized email marketing campaign. Let's reimagine the occupancy rate performances challenges. So the problem number one here is we have the low occupancy rate compared to the competitor. So if we need to resolve them, we need to focus on our marketing and promotional campaign. Second problem we have is we have high cancellation rate, which is impacting our revenue. The cancellation rate stands at 20.33%. So in order to solve these, we need to focus on our non-refundable bookings and retarget the abandoned cart. The problem number three here is the underperforming markets in Bangalore. Bangalore occupancy is at 65%. So if we target our pricing, the amenities and service issues in the hotels in the Bangalore, we would be able to target them. Let's reimagine a pricing not just a static number, but as a dynamic tool that adapts to the demand and the competition. Picture leveraging data to adjust the rate in real time during peak season or citywide events. By implementing this, the Altiq grants can transform the ATR into a growth engine. So if we deploy the dynamic pricing model, which adjusted itself according to the market demand fluctuations, second would be to deploy the seasonal promotion and target discount during the off-season period. The third would be we need to monitor the competitors' pricing and analyze the pricing for our adjustment. Fourth will be the value-added packages. Develop bundle that enhances perceived customer values. So imagine this. A repeat guest walks into the Atlick's Grand and is greeted by a name, offered their favorite room, surprised with a personalized offer. This is not just a guest experience, it's the magic of a revamped loyalty program. When customer feels valued, the loyalty becomes their second nature. So we need to enhance our loyalty program to increase the customer participation. So for this, we need to create awareness about the loyalty programs that we offer. The guests will show interest in learning about the membership. If we consider potential member, we'll try to define what are our advantages of joining the membership. Then the guest will enroll and sign up for the loyalty program. The new member will actively participate in the program activity. Guests will show the interest in learning about the membership. The satisfied member would promote the program to others through the word of mouth. In this way, we will be able to target the customer. Bangalore and Hyderabad hold immense potential, yet are Achie's heel. What if we transform the city into the growth hub through focused MICE campaign and strategic corporate tie-ups? The city are no longer just challenges, these are untapped gold mine. So we need to analyze the market dynamic and competitive landscape very thoroughly in these areas. We need to identify and priority-based market on the potential growth. We need to customize our offering to meet the customer preferences. If we engage with a targeted marketing campaign for the key market, if we monitor our performance across the metric and market and take the feedback from the customer very seriously, that would be very helpful in order to analyze what all the things that we are doing wrong. And we need to refine our strategies based on insights and competitive actions. The dynamic models for the revenue management should start with the data analysis. So, first, there should be the metrics that would analyze all the property across all the season and with the pricing strategies of the competitor as well as what are the occupancy we are applying. If according to all these metrics, what the price we get and quoted is right, then it's fine. If not, we need to implement the dynamic pricing model, and that's it. What does current market show us about the hospitality? So here, the market has evolved so much. The hotels are utilizing AI and data analytics to deliver the tailored services, with 74% of the traveler favoring personalized stays to enhance, which would enhance the satisfaction and loyalty. The mobile check-in, the digital keys, app-based service are very high in demand, with 73% of the traveler preferring touch-free, efficient experiences. The eco-conscious practices such as reducing the plastic and promoting green initiatives are the key differentiator for attracting the environmentally aware guest. The AI-driven tools and automation streamline operation, optimize resource management, and enhance the guest satisfaction rate. The future of Atlic's grant is not just about catching up, it's about leading the pack. Imagine a jump of 15% in occupancy, a thousand increase in area, a loyalty rate climbing beyond 30%. This is the future we can create today, starting today. Let's just not adapt to the market, let's define it. Are you ready to unlock the Atlic's grant true potential and turn it into the reality, not just a vision? Thank you so much.